what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm doing my video in a different area in the bathroom. My daughter's sleeping. It's in the morning. They're off school now, so I wanted to be a little bit quieter. And today what I have for you is a mix and match. I did a poll on YouTube and you guys wanted me to do a mix and match unboxing. I haven't done these in forever, so click on my link below, find out about mix and match. And let me grab my paperwork. In the box, you get this envelope. Inside the envelope, you get a return mailer, which is, for me, UPS. And then I have my style note. And my stylist name is Faith. I'll read that in a minute. My invoice. And we'll go over prices as you see the item. And then they do have something where it's a 3-month payment plan where you total purchase must equal 100 or more. So you have to spend $100 to get the 3 separate payments. So you could pay for this over 3 months. So I'm gonna read my style card for you guys. Hi Kristen, I've included in this box several summer tops that can be worn with the hammer distressed jeans or shorts. I have also included the Q2 jeans for you to try on as well. They are fun summer jeans to wear with Lush twist top front or any solid tank or tee that you already own. The Lush black dress is new favorite for summer. You can wear casual with sandals or dress up with a wedge and throw on a denim jacket for a dinner or to work. I hope you like this box. I look forward to hearing from you. Just a quick rundown. You have 5 days to decide and email your stylist and let them know your thoughts and what you're keeping, and then let billing know they will check you out. You can do the 3-month no interest auto payment plan, which we could talk about once you decide. You must keep, new policy, you only must keep 5 or more items to get the 25% off. Then it says email the stylist and then send it to UPS what you don't want. Okay, so I have the invoice here. So let's get in. It looks like I have one big bundle. It's so cute how they tie it up. I like this bow tie. Okay. Let's show you the bundle. Here is the bundle of clothes, which is awesome. Love this. Okay. All right, so let's put the items over here since I'm doing this in a different area. Okay, the first item, it looks like is this is coming across as black, but this is dark green. And it looks like a cross front top and it flares at the bottom. And looks like there's some ties on the sleeves. This is okay. If it was just a cross front, I think that would be best, but then it flares at the bottom. So we shall see. And then let me read what this is. 484. This is the olive and white striped wrap top with 3/4 length sleeve, size small, and it is $34. It's not bad. Not a bad deal. Okay. Next are some distressed jeans, which I really like these. These are size 1. And looks like there's some distressing on the front and nothing on the back. But this one you can turn up at the bottom or keep straight. So they showed me both styles. I really like these. This is, let's read what these are. These are the Hammer Collection light blue mid-rise distressed ankle jeans, and they're $45. And the brand on these are Hammer Jeans, Los Angeles. Never heard of that. So we'll try these out and see what they look like. So they're cute. Next is this top, which I love this pattern. It looks like it is a tank and then maybe like an off the shoulder. This is adorable. I really like this a lot. And this is, let me show you the pattern again. That's, I really like that color. It's like a light pink and then like a light blue. All right. So this is the BOM Floral print casual off the shoulder spaghetti strap top, and it's $32. You could probably tuck these in too if you want to just keep it an off the shoulder top. You try that on the try on as well. So we shall see. Okay. Next we have is a tank top, and it has some open sleeves. It looks like it gathers in the front. I like this color. It looks a little short though, so we will see what it looks like on. And it is like a mustard color, and it is the Lush Roasted Pecan Sleeveless Tank Top with a twist knot front and round neckline, size small, $30. Not bad, just a staple piece. All right, next, I think I've seen a couple people get this. This is floral sleeve, like a baseball tee. There's a floral, you can see it. It's cute. And let's see what this item number is so I can match it up on the invoice. This is the Down East Garden Party baseball tee in size extra small, and it's $38. Okay. Next are another pair of jeans. They have some polka dots on it, no distressing. These are kind of cute. I don't own anything like this. These are $55. So these are the blue polka dot skinny jeans with 5 pockets, and they're $55. And they're a size extra small. So we'll see if those fit. Next is a sweater tank, which I've never seen anything like this. This is actually my speed. I like navy and white. But the only thing is it's got this, again, this neckline here where you have to wear a special bra. And this is Staccato. And this is the Staccato navy striped halter sweater, and it's $34, and it's a size small. It looks longer, which I do like these type of longer tops. So we'll see what that looks like. Okay, next is another top, and it has some buttons on there, and it is like a cream and black stripe. And this is the Liz casual striped t-shirt with v-neck and button detail for vintage feel, size small, and it's $30. That's cute. I like that. Drop the dress. Okay. Next we have these shorts. These are adorable. I was looking for something like this. I hope these fit. They're only in a size small, so I hope they fit, because I'll definitely be getting these if they do. I'm just scared about the waist. They look a little bit big, but when you look at things and try them on, there's different feels. So these are distressed in the front, and I love the fringe. And next, there's a little bit of distressing in the back. And these are, let's see, buy together high-waisted denim shorts, pre-washed, uneven distressed detail, cut edge fringe bottoms, and they're $40, which is that's kind of a deal, because Stitch Fix, their prices are a lot more expensive for shorts. Okay, so next looks like a maxi dress. Actually, it's a wrap front dress. It's kind of deep cut on the front, has a little tie here, and then it crisscrosses in the front. You can't see it because it's black, but it's really flowy and long, so we'll try this on, and let's see what this is. And where is this? Okay. This is the Lush black sleeveless midi wrap dress with side tie accent, plunging v-neck with a loose flow fit, size small, and it's $50. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on, and then I'll go over the total for the box at the end and let you guys know what I decided to keep, if anything. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, first is the dress. It's hard to see. There is a tie right here, and it crisscrosses here, and then I'll bring you down a little bit so you can see. So it flows and it cuts right here, and it's flowy at the bottom, as you can see. It fits nicely, but I just don't have anywhere to wear something like this. So I am gonna pass on it. If it was a maxi dress, I might think about keeping it, but I don't like how it flows in the front, and I don't really have anywhere to wear it, but it is super comfortable and super soft, and I really like it a lot though. Okay, so first I have this top on. Let me bring it down a smidge so you can see. Here it is. It has the buttons. It's just a basic top. It's okay. It fits good. It's a little bit shorter for my liking, but it is super comfortable, and I like the button detail that they put on it. And yeah, I mean, this is a very nice outfit and very comfortable. Next, what I have here are the shorts. I do like the fit, but the only thing I don't like is this bunching right here. The crotch is way too long. I think they might be a little bit big, but I do like the fit. If this wasn't like this right here and it bunches up, I definitely would keep these. And they fit really nice everywhere else. So yeah, I'm not sure, but this just looks a little weird for me. Okay, next is this top. Let me bring you guys down a little bit. It's very nice. It is a little bit flowy in the front, so it kind of like sticks up here. But yeah, I mean, it's super comfortable. I like how it fits. It fits very nice. In the back, it's kind of like a high-low, something I definitely would wear to work. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. It is like a sweater material, but super comfortable. I really like it a lot. Okay, next we have is this tank. It's a little bit short and a little bit like just okay. I'm not sure about it. It fits a little different right here. I just don't really care for this. But otherwise it fits nice. It's one of the bracer backs. I like the color. Let me know your opinion in the comments below. Next we have are the Polka Dot Jeans. I don't really care for the design and the polka dots on there, but these fit really nice. They're a size extra small, which I don't know what that means. But yeah, I mean, they fit really nice at the bottom and everything like that. So let me know your guys' thoughts. They're different. Okay, so this outfit is totally my style. I really like this top. It's super cute. It has your spaghetti straps here. It's off the shoulder, and the pattern is so pretty. I really like this a lot. This is definitely what I've been looking for, stuff like this. It's off the shoulder. Yeah, I like it. I would definitely reach for this. I can't wear something like this to work, but I could definitely reach for this outside of work with some jean shorts. You can actually take it and tuck it too. Yeah, I really like this top. Okay, next are the jeans. These are really comfortable. They're not super tight. They fit really nice. I have the one cuffed and then the one not cuffed. So these, I'm not sure how much these were. Let me see if the tag says it on the tag. $45. So that's really not that bad. They go well with this top and they fit nice. Let me know your guys' opinion. I'm not sure. This might be an outfit that I want to keep. If not anything, the top, I really like this. Okay, next we have this baseball tee. I think this is adorable. I'm really not into this style, but I think this is pretty. Here is the floral pattern on the sleeves, and it is that baseball cut. I'm wearing it again with the jeans, and it fits really nice. So yeah, I'm not sure what I want to keep, but these last two tops are super cute. Definitely me. I have one more top for you guys, and then we'll go back to what I decided to keep. Okay, next is the last top. It has a crisscross right here, and I'm not liking how, you see how the lines go out and then back in? There is a tie on the sleeve. I think that's adorable. It flares out here. It does fit nice with these jeans. Like I said, these jeans are super comfortable, so I'm kind of torn on them. But yeah, here it is. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I'm gonna go over for the turtle box, then we'll get into what I decided to keep. So the total for my box was $388, $97 if I buy all 5 or all the items here. And then I do have some credit, $20 from you guys, Emily, Pollard, Gina, and Allison that signed up. Thank you so much. And I also have my $5 styling fee, which is taken off, and in total would come to $266. Because that really wasn't that bad. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 items. So that's really not that bad. $266 for 10 items. So what I'm gonna do is go through everything and just tell you guys what I decided to keep. So these jeans, I love these, but I don't need any more jeans. It is summertime here, so I'm gonna pass on those, even though they were super comfortable. Next was this top. Unfortunately, it just wasn't me. It fit different. So I'm just gonna pass on that. The baseball tee I really thought was cute. It is 3/4 length sleeve. I do like this. So now I know I like the baseball style that I didn't know I liked before. So I'm gonna pass on that as well. This top, I'm definitely keeping. I really thought this was adorable. I love the floral pattern. Even though I'm not a floral person, this pattern and these colors go together, so I definitely will be keeping that top. Next, I really like this color of this tank, but unfortunately the front tie thing here was just not very flattering on me personally, so I'm gonna pass. The Polka Dot jeans, they are a cute idea, but unfortunately they just did not look good on me. I did like how they fit and how they fit on the ankle. They were super soft and comfortable, but I'm gonna pass on those. The shorts, I really like these, but unfortunately they were too long in here, and I'm gonna have to pass on those. Otherwise I would have kept these. They are cute. This sweater tank, it is adorable. I definitely get something I can wear to work, but unfortunately I don't need it right now, so I'm just gonna pass on that. And then next we have this top. It's just a basic top. It was adorable, super soft, but I just, like I said, I don't need it. It's a very basic item. I'm looking for unique items, and that wasn't it. And last but not least is this black dress. If it was a maxi, I definitely would have kept it, but unfortunately it's just not my style. It's not something I need. It was adorable. It's super soft and high quality, but unfortunately, like I said, it's not something that I need right now. So item I'm going to keep is this top that was off the shoulder. Definitely get some more versatility out of this summer. I can wear it with off the shoulder completely too as well. So I'm definitely going to keep that. I thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what other unboxings you'd like to see. I really like doing these for you guys. And if there's anything out there that you want to see, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.